Taurus, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for May 27 to June 2, 2024. So let's see what's coming to you ngayong week na to. Overall energy, let's see. The Two of Wands. Some of you are in the crossroads. Maaring may dalawang options na gusto kang gawin. Pwedeng gusto mo pagsabayin. Pero yung iba, maaring kailangan isa lang yung piliin nyo rito para hindi kayo ma-overwhelm. Let's see ano tong decision na to. Fourth house. Can be sa related sa family, home life, family life. Pwedeng lilipat kayo ng bahay. Or nagdi-decision kayo ngayon kung kayo ay bubukod na. Or maaring may major decision na kailangan gawin sa family. Let's see your challenge. Three of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng magkaroon ng challenge with a friend, with someone na malapit sa'yo. Pwede rin ma-involve kayo sa gossip, chismis, no? Chismis. Sa paligid-ligid. Pwede magkaroon ng misunderstanding with someone. Let's see your opportunity. Queen of Coins. You have the opportunity to take care of your finances ngayong week na to. Baka meron kayong kailangan bayaran or gastusan, no? This week. And this is also about financial stability, having the resources that you need. And this is also your energy. Because earth sign to. So your blessing is the Tower. Oh. Major change. Meron kailangang gumuho para may maitayo ulit. So, let's see. Ano tong Tower energy na to? In what area? First house, which is about yourself. So, maaring meron kayong pwedeng mga unhealthy habits that you are finally releasing, no? Or ending. Kasi alam mo na hindi yun nakakabuti para sa'yo. Pwede rin sa kalusugan mo. Minsan kasi saka tayo nagtitake ng action kapag andyan na yung problema no? Oo, pero nung mga time na may nararamdaman tayo sa katawan natin, hindi natin pinapansin. Tapos biglang, ayan, hindi na natin kaya, tapos ma-hospital, ganun. But as a blessing, I feel like you will be able to resolve, no? Kung ano man tong challenge na to sa'yo, sa sarili mo. Para siyang blessing in disguise. Oo. Na maaring meron kang kailangan pagdaanan na difficult situation, and doon naman sa pag natapos naman yon, merong blessing after that, no? So let's see and clarify what is the Two of Wands. The Lovers. Pwedeng commitment yung pinag-iisipan mo ngayon, kung magko-commit ka ba sa person na to, magko-commit ka ba sa trabaho na to, sa business na to, sa project na to, o hindi. Oo. The Lovers is also about making a big decision. Saang decision ba to? In what area of life? 11th house. Sa community, sa family, or sa dreams, no? Maaring meron kang ipupursu na pangarap na dahil ipupursu mo yon, pwedeng meron kang kailangan bitawan para maipursu mo. For example, gusto mo mag-abroad, oo. So, ngayon, inayos mo, inasikaso mo. Pero syempre, para makapag-abroad, kailangan meron ka maiwanan. O, iwanan mo yung family mo, iwanan mo mahal sa buhay mo, or yung trabaho mo. So, maaring yun yung ila-let go mo para mapurso mo yung iba pang opportunities for you. What is the Three of Cups? The Two of Coins. So, maaring ngayong week na to, pwedeng medyo magiging magulo yung isip mo, yung tipong hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo. So, it is advisable na, unahin mo yung mga priorities mo para matapos mo kung ano yung dapat mong matapos. Kasi minsan overwhelming. Kapag masyadong maraming kailangan gawin, ayusin, asikasuhin, parang nasa-stuck ka tuloy kasi para siyang computer na maraming ginagawang task. Tapos nag-freeze, 'di ba? Naghahang. Oo. So, yun yung iwasan ninyo na masyado nyong i-overwhelm yung sarili nyo sa mga responsibilities, gawain, no? Manage your time. What is the Queen of Coins? The Queen of Cups and the Five of Coins. Yeah, I feel like you have an opportunity to solve a problem pagdating sa pera. Pwedeng meron ding person sa buhay mo na tutulungan mo na ma-resolve yung problema niya sa pera. This can be your mother or a feminine energy in your life na nagkakaroon ng financial struggle. So, maaring tutulong ka para makarecover rin siya. What is the Tower? The Queen of Wands. Ang daming people. Feminine energy lahat to. So, Queen of Wands is about exploration, courage, passion. So, I think ngayon ang blessing mo is nakadepende sa lakas ng loob mo. Oo, na mag-explore ng iba, na sumubok ng mga bagong bagay sa buhay mo, to improve your life, no? Let's see your money, career, finances. Money, career, finances for Taurus. You have the Tower. Uy, may Tower na naman. Oo, parang siguro yung iba sa inyo meron kayong ile-let go na trabaho, business, or career. Ito yung tipong i-give up nyo na kasi sa tingin nyo, it's not worth it, or sa tingin nyo, kailangan talagang gawin yun para may magsimula muli. You are awakening. Oh, you have the World. This is ending a cycle in your life and starting something new. So, yung iba talaga, maaring business abroad, trabaho abroad, opportunities abroad, ang nag-open up sa inyo. You have the Magician. Uy. This is about your power, your skill set, your talents. I think mas nagpo-focus ka ngayon sa talents and skills mo. Kasi 'di ba yung iba may trabaho sila na siya yung parang routinary na yun at yun yung ginagawa nila na hindi nila kailangan ng talent or skills na pangmalakasan para magawa yon. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring yun yung bubuwagin nyo. Kasi gusto nyo na mag-focus doon sa trabaho, career, or business na kung saan nagagamit nyo yung skills ninyo. 'Di ba? So, sa love life, you have the Empress. So, some of you pwedeng magkakaroon ng baby sa family. Oo. May pregnancy kasi rito. Of course, kung ikaw ay iniiwasan mo pa na magka-baby, no? Be careful. Oo. And if you are wanting to have a baby, then this is a good opportunity for you. Yun nga lang, syempre, pag baby is, responsibilities. 'Di ba? So, make sure that you are going to be responsible sa mga obligations mo. Oo. Yung iba sa inyo, mas may time kayo for yourself, for self-care, self-love. Some of you naman, pwedeng may travel opportunities with your romantic partner. Cycles, moonstone. So, I think meron ka i-break na cycle. Anything na sa tingin mo is paulit-ulit na lang na hindi na nagpapaunlad sa situation mo, you're going to break that and make some changes. You are also setting healthy boundaries. Hindi mo na rin hahayaan na i-take advantage ka ng ibang tao, no? Learn how to say no. Yan. You also have Moon in Sagittarius. Very optimistic ka. Positibo yung pananaw mo. Alam mo na marami ka pang pwedeng ma-achieve, magawa sa mundong to. You have the Sun in Gemini in the 3rd house. I think ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyong i-explore nyo yung mga abilities, talents, and skills nyo na hindi nyo pa nasubukan. And there's also a certain level of fame. Medyo magiging makikilala ka, no? Mas sisikat ka. Or yung tipong makikilala ka sa field, sa area, sa community mo. Think first before you judge. So, hindi ka masyado magiging judgmental ngayong week na to. You will always take consideration the benefit of the doubt, no? Mas magiging open-minded ka rin in accepting people for who they are. Okay, so that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye!